everyone. It's nice to see you again. How are you today? I hope you are in a good condition and you are ready to learn English with me today. Oke anak-anak, minggu lalu, pertemuan yang lalu, kita sudah belajar tentang apa? Tentang makanan, macam makanan, snack time. Ya, dan juga kita belajar bagaimana kita mengatakan kalau kita suka sesuatu atau kita tidak suka sesuatu. Masih ingat? Kalau kita mau bilang saya suka buah, bagaimana? Ya, I like fruit. Good. Kalau kita mau bilang saya tidak suka buah, iya, I don't like fruit. Oke, kalau kita misalnya mau bilang mereka suka sayur, mereka suka sayur, bagaimana? They like vegetables. Good. Kalau kita mau bilang mereka tidak suka sayur, bagaimana? They don't like vegetables. Good. Kalau kita bilang dia laki-laki suka buah, he likes fruit. Kalau dia laki-laki tidak suka buah, he doesn't like fruit. Good. Dia perempuan suka sayur. She likes fruit. Good. Dia perempuan tidak suka sayur. How do you say? She doesn't like vegetables. Oke, good. Itu tadi pelajaran pertemuan yang lalu. Now, we are going to learn more about like and dislike. Oke, jadi kita akan belajar lebih lagi tentang suka, tidak suka, bagaimana kita mengatakannya atau bagaimana kita menyatakannya. Oke, but first, please open your student book, page 14. Buka student booknya halaman 14. 14. Oke, this one 14, page 14. Oke, Miss Maria will play one track about a short story. Jadi Miss Maria akan memutarkan satu rekaman tentang cerita pendek. Anak-anak sambil dengarkan bisa melihat yang bagian A, halaman 14 bagian A. Oke, are you ready? Let's go.
A. Listen and repeat.
Do you want more food?
Yes, I want to get some cookies.
I like cookies. So do I.
Oh no!
Look, Peanut likes cookies too.
Oke, itu tadi short story-nya. Yuk, let's listen to it once again and then we will repeat. Oke, we will repeat the sentences. Kita akan mendengarkan sekali lagi dan menirukan, oke?
A. Listen and repeat.
Do you want more food?
Do you want more
Yes,
food?
I want to get some cookies.
Yes, I want to get some cookies.
I like cookies.
I like cookies.
So do I.
So do I.
Oh no!
Oh no!
Look, Peanut likes cookies too.
Look, Peanut likes cookies too. Oke, jadi itu tadi cerita pendek tentang keluarga dari Alex. Ya, which one is Alex? Okay, wait. Okay. This one is Alex. Ya, yang bilang aku mau cookies, itu yang bilang adalah Alex. Oke. Oke, anak-anak, itu tadi short story-nya. Now, let's move on to C. Ayo bagian C, itu kita perhatikan. Read the story again, then answer. Oke, baca lagi story-nya, lalu kita jawab. Ya. Do you want more food? Yes, I want to get some cookies. I like cookies. So do I. Oh no. Look, Peanut likes cookies too. Okay, prepare your pencil. We will answer the questions together. Number 1. What do Emma and Brian like? A. Cookies. B. Chocolate. The answer is A. Cookies. Good. Number 2. Who eats the cookies? A. Alex. B. Peanut. Good. The answer is B. Peanut. Good job, everyone. Good job. I know you can do it. Now, let's move on to the next page. Page 15, halaman 15. Yuk, kita akan lanjutkan perjalanan kita. A. Listen and say. I will play one track for you, and you will listen to it and repeat after the words. Oke, dengarkan lalu tirukan.
A. Listen and say. Number 1.
Cereal.
Cereal.
Number 2.
Milk.
Milk.
Number 3.
Yogurt.
Yogurt.
Number 4.
Bananas.
Bananas.
Number 5.
Apples.
Apples.
Number 6.
Tomatoes.
Tomatoes.
Number 7.
Rice.
Rice.
Number 8.
Soup.
Soup. Okay. Cereal, milk, yogurt, bananas, apples, tomatoes, rice, and soup. Okay. Now, I want you to listen to it once more and then you draw. Dengarkan lalu gambar. Gambar apa? Gambar bentuk-bentuk yang nanti akan kamu dengarkan dari rekaman. Oke? You can draw circle, lingkaran. You can draw rectangle. Rectangle is persegi panjang. You can draw triangle. Apa itu triangle? Segitiga. Oke? Let's do this.
B. Listen and draw. Number 1.
Draw a circle around the word cereal.
Draw a circle around the word cereal. Jadi gambar lingkaran di gambar cereal. You can find it? Can you find it? Good. Okay, next.
Number 2.
Draw a square around the word bananas.
Draw a square around the word bananas. Gambar kotak ya di bananas. Oke. Next.
Number 3.
Draw a rectangle around the word milk.
Draw a rectangle around the word milk. Jadi gambar persegi panjang di gambar apa? Milk. Ya, persegi panjang di milk. Good. Next.
Number 4. Draw a triangle around the word yogurt.
Draw a triangle around the word yogurt. Ya, gambar segitiga di gambar yogurt. Ya, oke. Next.
Number 5. Draw a circle and a square around the word rice.
Okay, now you draw two circle and square around rice. Okay, let's listen once again.
Around the word rice.
Wait.
Number 5. Draw a circle and a square
Okay.
around the word rice.
Circle and a square ya, jadi gambar lingkaran dan juga kotak di rice. Okay, next.
Number 6. Draw a rectangle and triangle around the word soup.
Okay, now draw a rectangle and triangle around the word soup. Jadi gambar persegi panjang dan juga segitiga di gambar soup. Can you do that? Very good. Next.
Number 7. Draw a circle and a triangle around the word apples.
Okay, draw a circle and triangle around the words apples. Di gambar lingkaran dan juga segitiga di gambar apel. Good. And then the next.
Number 8. Draw a circle and a rectangle around the word tomatoes.
Okay, the last one. Circle and rectangle around the word tomatoes. Okay. Okay, I know you can do it. Now, let's move on to the next section. Listen, then look at the pictures, say and answer. Okay.
See, listen, then look at the pictures. Say and answer.
They like rice. He likes rice.
So do I.
They don't like rice. He doesn't like rice.
Neither do I.
Okay. Now listen to it once again and then repeat after the sentences, yeah?
See, listen, then look at the pictures. Say and answer.
They like rice.
They like rice.
See and look at the pictures. Say and answer.
They like rice.
They like rice.
He likes rice.
He likes rice.
So do I.
So do I.
They don't like rice.
They don't like rice.
He doesn't like rice.
He doesn't like rice.
Neither do I.
Neither do I. Oke, anak-anak perhatikan, itu kan ada kata so do I dan neither do I. Oke, itu artinya sama. Yaitu artinya adalah begitu juga saya. Oke, Miss Mar jelaskan ya. Itu kan tadi ada kalimat they like rice. Mereka suka nasi. Lalu bawahnya he likes rice. Dia laki-laki suka nasi. Lalu di sampingnya ada so do I. Itu artinya aku juga sama. Artinya sama suka nasi. Oke, they like rice, so do I. Mereka suka nasi, aku juga suka nasi. He likes rice. Dia laki-laki suka nasi, so do I. Aku juga suka nasi. Oke, yang bawah, they don't like rice. Mereka tidak suka nasi. Neither do I. Aku juga tidak suka nasi. He doesn't like rice. Dia tidak suka nasi. Neither do I. Aku juga tidak suka. Oke, jadi yang so do I itu artinya saya juga suka. Kalau neither do I, saya juga tidak suka. Oke? Oke anak-anak. Nanti anak-anak akan bertanya jawab seperti itu ya. Bukan bertanya jawab, tapi berdialog sederhana seperti yang tadi dicontohkan oleh Miss Maria. Nah, di bawah sini, ini, itu kan ada 6 ya. Number 1, number 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oke, nanti anak-anak berdialognya menggunakan 6 ini ya. Contoh ya, contoh Miss Maria akan beri contoh. Number 1, they like cereal. So do I. Number 2, she doesn't like yogurt. Neither do I. Number 3, he doesn't like apple. Neither do I. Number 4, she likes milk. So do I. Number 5, they like apples. So do I. Number 6, she doesn't like rice. Neither do I. Oke, nah itu nanti tugasnya direkam, dialognya lalu dikirimkan ke Miss Maria. Oke, now let's move on to the next section. Let's learn a new chant. Please turn your book to page 112. Yuk dibuka bukunya halaman 112 yang bagian bawah. Let's listen to the chant and learn how to chant. Okay?
D. Chant. Turn to page 112. I like bananas. I like bananas.
So do I. So do I. Yum, yum, yum.
She doesn't like apples. She doesn't like apples.
Neither do I. Neither do I. Yuck, yuck, yuck.
He likes soup. He likes soup.
So do I. So do I. Yum, yum, yum.
She doesn't like yogurt. She doesn't like yogurt.
Neither do I. Neither do I. Yuck, yuck, yuck.
I like cereal. I like cereal.
So do I. So do I. Yum, yum, yum.
Oke, itu tadi chance-nya. Ya, kalau anak-anak mau dengarkan sekali lagi, bisa diputar ulang ini videonya ya. Oke, now let's go back to page 16. Ayo sekarang kita kembali ke halaman 16. 16, oke. There is one text there. Ya, ada satu bacaan di situ. Sementara Miss Maria memutarkan rekamannya, anak-anak ikut membaca ya, ikut membaca sebisanya ya, ikut membaca. Nanti kita akan mendiskusikan tentang isi bacaannya itu apa. Oke, are you ready? Let's go.
A. Listen and read. How does fruit grow?
Do you like fruit? All fruit comes from plants. Plants need water and sun to grow. A tomato is a fruit. Tomatoes grow on vines. They can grow on big farms. They can also grow in a small garden. Watermelons and grapes also grow on vines. Watermelons stay on the ground because they are heavy. Apples and bananas grow on trees. Most banana trees like hot weather. There are apple trees in a lot of places around the world. Some may even be close to you.
Oke, itu tadi bacaannya ya, Miss Par artikan ya. How does fruit grow? Bagaimana buah-buahan tumbuh? Apakah kamu suka buah? Semua buah itu berasal dari tanaman. Tanaman butuh air dan matahari untuk bertumbuh. Tomat adalah buah. Buah tomat tumbuh secara merambat. Mereka bisa bertumbuh di perkebunan yang besar. Mereka juga bisa tumbuh di kebun yang kecil. Semangka dan anggur juga tumbuh secara merambat. Sebuah semangka ada di atas tanah karena mereka berat. Buah apel dan buah pisang tumbuh di atas pohon. Kebanyakan pohon pisang suka cuaca yang panas. Ada banyak pohon apel di tempat-tempat di seluruh dunia. Beberapa mungkin ada di dekat kamu. Nah, itu tadi bacaannya tentang apa? Tentang tumbuhan. Iya, tentang buah-buah yang berasal dari tumbuhan. Tadi ada apa aja? Ada tomatoes, watermelons, grapes, apples, and bananas. Ya, tadi tomat, semangka, dan anggur tadi bertumbuhnya bagaimana? Ya, they grow on vines. Mereka bertumbuh secara merambat. How about apples and bananas? Kalau apel sama banana tadi gimana? Yes, they grow on trees. Mereka tumbuh di atas pohon. Okay, now prepare your pencil. We will answer the questions together. Number 1. Where don't tomatoes grow? Di tempat mana yang tomat itu tidak bertumbuh? A. On a tree. B. On a farm. C. In a garden. Okay, good. The answer is A. On a tree. Ya, jadi tomat tadi tidak bertumbuh di mana? Tidak bertumbuh di, buah tomat tadi tidak bertumbuh di pohon. Okay. Number 2. What weather do banana trees like? Cuaca apa yang disukai oleh pohon pisang? A. Cold. B. Hot. C. Wet. Good. The answer is B. Hot. Most of banana trees like hot weather. Okay, good everyone. I know you can do it. It's easy, isn't it? Now, let's move on to page 18. Yuk, halaman 18. Sebentar lagi kita selesai. C. Listen and circle, then answer the questions. Oke, seperti biasa Miss Maria akan memutarkan rekaman. Anak-anak dengarkan baik-baik. Anak-anak pilih dulu kata apa yang kamu dengar, kamu lingkari, lalu kita jawab pertanyaannya bersama. Oke, let's do it.
C. Listen and circle. Then answer the questions. Number 1.
All fruits come from plants.
Oke, all fruits come from plants. Jadi anak-anak lingkari yang fruits atau tomatoes? Fruits. Oke, kamu lingkari fruits. Oke. Oke, all fruits come from plants. Is he right? Apakah dia benar? Yes. Oke, kalian lingkari yang yes. Yes, all fruits come from plants. Semua buah datangnya dari tanaman. Next.
Number 2.
Tomatoes, grapes, and bananas grow on vines.
Oke, tomatoes, grapes, and bananas grow on vines. Jadi yang dilingkari adalah bananasnya yang dilingkari. Oke. Finished? Okay, now let's answer the question. Is she right? Yeah, no. Tomatoes, grapes, and bananas. Bananasnya tidak tumbuh secara merambat tadi ya. Bananas grow on trees. Okay. Next.
Number 3.
Apples and bananas grow on trees.
Apples and bananas grow on trees. Jadi yang dilingkari adalah trees-nya. Okay. Is he right? Yes, he is right. Apples and bananas grow on trees. Okay, next.
Number 4.
Most banana trees like hot weather.
Most banana trees like hot weather. Jadi yang dilingkari adalah hot. Is she right? Yes, she is right. Most banana trees like hot weather. Okay, good job everyone. Excellent job everyone. Now, the last one. Ya, ini yang terakhir sekali. Kalian tarik garis ya. Antara gambar buah dan mereka tumbuhnya di mana? On trees or on vines. Okay? Where do the fruits grow? Match and say. Number 1. Grapes. Grapes itu di trees atau di vines? Ya, vines. Tarik garis. Okay. Grapes grow on vines. B. Tomatoes. Ya, on vines. Ya, tomatoes grow on vines. C. Apple. How about apple? Ya, on tree. Apples grow on trees. D. Watermelons. On vines. Ya, watermelons grow on vines. And the last one, bananas. Bananas on tree. Bananas grow on tree. Okay, very good everyone. Okay, anak-anak, pertemuan kita yang kali ini sampai di sini dulu. Nanti ada 2 tugas yang harus kalian kerjakan. Yang pertama adalah tadi itu dari student book halaman 15. Ya, yang ini dialog ini semuanya diperagakan ya. Lalu direkam di video, lalu dikirimkan kepada Miss Maria. Oke, itu yang dikumpulkan ke Miss Maria. Lalu yang kedua, yaitu dari workbook. Workbook, page 12 to 4, page 10 to 12. Oke, page 10 to 12, halaman 10 sampai 12. Nah, Kalau untuk yang workbook ini tidak usah difoto, tidak usah dikirimkan ke Miss Maria. Nanti karena ini bukunya kalian akan Miss Mar kumpulkan. Oke? I think that's all for our meeting today. I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.